Meow meow, my itty bitty fan community. Today we have a Fasco Charleston. It is a first generation model in antique white, somewhere in between 36 and 38 inches in diameter. Blades do have a few scuff marks here and there, but it's nothing too bad. And there's the top and the canopy. Here's a good view of the you can clearly see here the upward pitch of the blades that Fasco is known for on their dropped flywheel fans. And the tassel I added on myself came off of a Moss WF series. And the reverse switch is over here in that vent right there. It's pretty basic, just your typical first generation Charleston, though I still like it. It's a good fan. Now let's ignite power. And there is low speed. Has your typical Fasco low, though it does appear to be a little faster than some other ones I've seen. Take it up to medium. This is my second Charleston. The first one I got is a polished brass 3rd generation 5-blade model. I don't remember whether or not I've made a video of that one, but if not, hopefully I'll be able to make one soon. No promises though. And then there's high. This thing performs very well, blows lots of air. Similar to Casablanca, you never want to underestimate the little fans of Fasco. This and the Vanity Fair. They may be small, but they still perform just as well as a larger fan would. It is close to a wall, so it is at a slight disadvantage, but it's still putting off a really good breeze. And it does have a little wobble, but it's not much. Has a slight hum as well, but it's mostly drowned out by the airflow noise. Turn it off. And there you go. A first generation Fasco Charleston in antique white.